Okay, here we are at activity number 4, called Repeat It If You Like It. This is actually one of my favorite activities. Consists in evaluating what we are doing. When we play, sometimes we come up with okay ideas, sometimes with very promising ideas. And it's very important that we identify those, that we see the value, the potential, sort of like saying, oh, I think I could do something really cool with this idea. Or for some reason, this idea interests me. Let's work on that a little more. As I say in the book, what we are practicing here is the good idea detector. We're going to improvise freely very short ideas, potentially good motifs. And we're going to leave space between the motifs, and in that space, we evaluate what we just did. The evaluation can be very quick, or it may take a little bit of time, a few beats, even probably a bar. So if the evaluation is positive, if we think that this is a good potential idea, we repeat it again, we play it again. If it's not good, if we can let it go, we move on to in search of new good ideas. I'm going to do this exercise for you now, and in the moments of rest, when I evaluate the ideas, I'm going to show you with my fingers, this means good, therefore I'm going to play it again, or this means no good, we can let it go, and then I'll move on in search of, hopefully, a good idea. Now, there's one thing that's very important, which is when we give the idea a second try, we're not elaborating on the idea, because that's not the purpose of the exercise. What we do is we take an idea from the idea. We take an aspect from the idea. For example, say that I play this. And I say, okay, that was bad. Now I take, okay, but I like the idea of the chromaticisms coming down. So I may play, my next idea may be, I may evaluate that as a good idea. But what is important is that I'm not thinking, no, I didn't like it, let's see how can I improve it. Okay. That's elaborating on an idea, and that's not what we're trying to do here. So a bad idea, such as, can give me the good idea of using chromaticisms in a descending motion. So that's what I take to generate my next idea. So we need, this is just to make the difference between insisting on an idea that didn't work, which actually we should let go, from being inspired by one aspect from the failed idea and coming up with a new one. They are similar but different at the same time. Actually, the way the mind works is more different than similar.